Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, going to show you how to remove the background of any video using AI and for free. That's right, this is a free tool right now, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. Now here we go, we've got this boxer dog here with sunglasses on, just chilling like a villain. And then we've got this strange little AI stuff in the background. As you can imagine, this was not the original video. The original video is this one right here of the bulldog, or pardon me, of the boxer. And there he is doing his boxer thing. And then I took out the background and I put in that crazy background just to show you the technique. So with all that said, let's start from scratch, go back to projects. First thing, it is on runwayml.com. I'll put a link in the description below, but it's a free tool. You get up to 3 projects and it renders out free, although it's only in 720p at the moment. So keep that in the back of your mind. It's high definition, but not super high definition. All right, here we go. The first step is you want to go here and we're going to go to the AI Magic Tools. You don't want to click on New Project. You want to click on AI Magic Tools. When you do that, you get a whole bunch of stuff that you can do. I'm going to go down here near to the bottom, and you'll see one that says Replace Background. This is what we want. Click on it, and presto, it's going to load up some assets here, and we're going to get a timeline and all that fancy stuff. Now, the next step is if you don't have the footage already loaded, you want to go to your Finder, and then we're going to go to, I think we're in the movies, and then drag and drop in the movie that you want. So in this case, I would take this bulldog, or the boxer, pardon me, and just drag and drop him in there. That said, I have already done it, so it's already loaded here, but that is the step if you're following along, and you can see it's uploading. The next step, I'm going to click on it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click over here and go Add to Timeline. Presto, it loads the doggy up, and this is the video that we're using, but you can follow